there's another question on the board, and it says, thank you so much, Kavod Harav. Also, could Kavod Harav teach us a question about Noah's age? About Noah.
No.
I noticed Noah was born in year 1056, and the flood occurred in 1656, when Noah was 600 years old.
Yes.
The flood lasted for a year, and Noah lived for 350 years after the flood. So it should be 600 plus 1 plus 350 equals 951 years old, according to the math that our friend's is doing here.
Okay.
So then he goes, but Torah also said Noah died in the year 2006, according to the Hebrew calendar, and he lived 150 years. They're kind of subtracting.
No, not how 150 years. How is it possible?
That's what our friend wrote, and then it says, I wonder where is the year of the flood. Something is not right. So the flood was in his 600 years, and he lived at, I don't know what it has. I don't remember numbers. 300 years after that. So it was 950. Okay. So what is something wrong with the final numbers. That's what it is. So it cannot be 100. Okay. So basically, if you have an art scroll, the stone Chumash, this blue one, so it has all of the maps, all of the years, especially on the back, all of the diagrams, like who lived when, and it's actually overlaps from one person to another. So it's they did I think amazing job. Okay. So what else? Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
And our friend also asks, why don't we fast for the flood?
Why don't we fast for the flood? 1 second. So the flood was, you see, the world was rebuilt after that flood. So there is no reason to fast. So today, all of the fasts that we have actually connected to the things that were never fixed. For example, when we had the second temple, we did not fast on 9th of Av. We did not fast on all other fasts. I mean, on Yom Kippur, of course, but not on other fasts. So, but after the second Beis Hamikdash was destroyed, so yeah, we fast on all of these 5 fasts. Because we don't have it, but when Mashiach is going to come, BeEzrat HaShem, speedily in our days, hopefully we are ready, so they're going to cancel all this fast. It's actually we're going to be 9 of Av, it's going to be the holiday, right? But so the bottom line, that flood, like it's irrelevant now. But the thing is, we have to remember the flood. That's a very good point. Actually, when we see the rainbow, there is a special blessing. First of all, you're not allowed to stare on the rainbow, at the rainbow, but there is a special blessing in our Siddur that we say on the rainbow. So you say you're thanking Hashem that He actually keeping His word. So the rainbow is a sign that Hashem showed to Noach and said, I'm not going to destroy the world any longer. You understand? So when you see the rainbow, it means what? Hashem said, I'm very not happy with the world. So I wanted to destroy it, this rain, So this rain could have potentially turned into flood, but because I promised to Noach, I'm not going to destroy. So that's why we're not allowed to stare at the rainbow. We're guilty, all of us. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi. And
You're welcome.
coincidentally enough, this rainbow people took the rainbow and said,
it's no coincidence. So they actually, one of the reasons of the flood, destruction of the world, was because people behave like that. There is no coincidence. So they, of course, because of the ignorance and because of B'siyata Dishmaya, they actually they chose this flag, this out of all of the possible combinations. Very interesting, right? There's no coincidence. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
What else? Yeah, you're welcome.
So our friend says, sorry, I meant Torah said he lived 950 years. Yes, this is the same.
Okay, so it comes up. I don't remember also. So it comes up to that number, or no?
Yeah, I mean supposedly it should be 600 plus 1 plus 350. That equals 951.
I guess this 1 year was counted in this 300. That's it. That's simple explanation.
Meaning the year of the flood?
Yes. Mm-hmm.